Hello everyone, and welcome back to my crafting world. My name is Anna. Today I wanted to show you my design team package for August. Now I got this paper pack from Blue Fern Studios, and it is called Jane's Memoirs. It is really kind of vintagey, shabby chic, and the colors are very muted. I just love it. So I'm guessing this is Jane, and it is so pretty. Look at the soft greens and pinks and kind of lavender color, purplish. Very, very pretty. So I'm gonna give you a flip through real quick, and this is the back. How pretty. Oh, okay, so that's the first one. And the second one is more of a cut aparts page, and that's so pretty though. Oh, that's so pretty. This is the library card. That's so pretty. And then this is the back of that one. I just love when things have writing on the back. That's so pretty. And then this is the next one. Oh, so pretty. Look at those colors. And then this is the back. I love that. I don't know which one I like more. That's so hard because they're both beautiful. And then this one, Emma, a novel in 3 volumes. So this page is called Emma, and I'm assuming this is Emma. So pretty. All that lace. Very, very pretty. And then this one is Le Petit Echo. So pretty. I wonder what her name is. Echo, maybe? Anyway, these colors are a little richer. Very, very pretty. And then there's the back of that one. And then this one, Locket and Key. This is so pretty. Oh my goodness, that's gorgeous. Fussy cut that out and use it as the main piece. That would be beautiful. Oh my goodness, look at the back page. Gorgeous. And then this one says Mercantile. Very, very pretty. These are more browns, but it's still very, very pretty. Oh man, that's beautiful. The Metropolitan, that's such a gorgeous page. I think I know what I'm gonna do with this. Very, very pretty. Love it. Oh my goodness. Very pretty. Look at those books, and oh, poetic localities. Oh, and look at the back of that. Oh my goodness, that's beautiful. Look at this page. Oh, so pretty. Okay, so that was the paper pack that I ordered from Blue Fern Studios. I'm going to show you, I ordered a couple more things, and this was one of them. This is the decorative pocket accents. I thought that incorporating this with that paper pack would be so pretty, because it's so, you know, it's got so much detail in it. Very, very decorative. So and then I ordered this one as well. Elaborate oval frames. This is so pretty. I have the other one, and I wanted this one also, so I got this one. And these frames are so pretty. And you get 3 frames, and then you get the little slits that you can put on your paper. You know, if you're gonna glue this and you need a slit on the bottom paper. So I've cut these out to show you what they look like. And look at that. Oh my goodness, that's so pretty. Look at that. And there's the little slit for your pocket. I mean, honestly, you don't have to use it as a, you know, as a pocket. You can just snip that off right there and use it as a border, which is what I'm thinking I'm going to do. Is use them, or, you know, I probably will use them as pockets, but I want to use these as borders. These are so pretty. Look at that. Look at that. Oh my gosh, that's beautiful. So I've cut those out so you can see those. But I've also cut out the elaborate oval frames. And you get, with this one, you get 6 pieces. So you get, let me show you because it's hard to see and I don't want to take them out again. But you get 6 of these pieces. And how pretty are these? So you get the large piece, which is your mat. And then you get this beautiful ornate centerpiece that goes, you know, that matches your larger mat. Can you imagine cutting a photo out of this mat and putting it in the center? Perfect. Just perfect. So you get this one, and then you get the, and they all, you know, they all fit one on top of the other, okay? So there's that one, and then here's the ornate piece that goes on top of that one. And then I should have cut this one in the lavender color, but here's the last piece. Fits right there with an ornate piece as well. Look at that. Oh my gosh, that's beautiful. That is beautiful. Or you could just use this, you know, for a sentiment, and you can just use this as an accent piece. There's so many possibilities. You know, I know that in my mind I was going wild. Anyway, that is my design team haul for August. There we go, guys. And I know it was a short one, but you know, it is all just gorgeous. All right, guys, thank you so much for stopping in and watching. And if you don't mind, hit that subscribe button. I would appreciate it so very much. Give me a like, you know, thumbs up, everyone. All right, guys, thank you so much. Leave me any questions in the comments or just leave a comment. Thanks a lot, guys. Y'all have a great day.